To understand why the sky is blue, we first need to understand a little bit about the light. Although light from the sun looks white, it is really made up of a spectrum of many different colors. As we can see, there are different colors in a rainbow, so these are the colors which are present in a light. We can think of light as being a wave of energy, and different colors all we have of different wavelengths. At one end of the spectrum is red light, which has the longest wavelength, and at the other is blue and violet, which are having much shorter wavelength. So, when the sun's light reaches Earth's atmosphere, it is scattered or deflected by the tiny molecules of gases, which are mostly nitrogen and oxygen in the air. Because these molecules are much smaller than the wavelength of visible lights, the amount of scattering depends on the wavelength. This effect is making the sky looks bluer to our human eyes. Short wavelengths like violet and blue are scattered the most strongly. So more of the blue light is scattered towards our eyes than the other colors. You might think why the sky doesn't look purple, because the violet is having even the shorter wavelength than the blue. This is because there is lesser amount of violet color in the sun's light rather than the blue color. So because blue is having the shorter wavelength and is present in larger amount in the light of the sun, so that is why we are able to see only the blue color in the sunlight. When you take a look directly at the sun, it will look reddish or maybe violet in color. That is because all the shortest wavelength which is coming from the sunlight is violet in the color and not completely blue.